When we upload videos, for getting instant notifications, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Siva Nag recipes with me Chef Siva Nag.
In today's episode, I am going to prepare macaroni kurkure. It's very easy recipe to prepare in the evening time. So come on, let's get started and check out the recipe. Initially, the process starts with boil the water and add little bit of oil into this. By adding oil, macaroni won't stick each other. Add little bit of salt. Add 1 cup of macaroni. Cook this macaroni for 5 minutes. Once cooking is done, remove from the water. Remove the excess water from macaroni and keep it aside for 5 minutes. Once macaroni get completely dried, now add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Add 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Add little amount of chili powder. Mix it well. And drop it in a hot oil. Fry this macaroni until we get a golden color. Once we get a golden color, remove from the hot oil. For preparing masala, take a bowl, add salt, add red chili powder, chaat masala and add dry ginger powder. Mix it well. Add this masala to the fried macaroni. Combine everything and transfer this macaroni kurkure to the serving bowl. That's all, macaroni kurkure was ready. Try this simple recipe and give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section. In next episode, I am going to prepare crispy rice flour vada. Don't miss it. When we upload videos for instant notification, subscribe to Chef Siva Nag recipes and click on the bell icon.